For me, one of the coolest things about the RCA is the way that we executed the project inside Rubin White Design. We've done structural engineering, we've done aero engineering, and we've combined them in the RCA. The translation of those engineering benefits into the rider's experience works like this. Lighter, of course. Everybody knows that a lighter bike is more fun to ride and faster up hills. Stiffer counts when you're pedaling hard or when you're out of the saddle, climbing or sprinting, and also when you're cornering. If you initiate a turn, you need the frame to be stiff enough that it doesn't lose and delay the steering input between the road and the hands and the feedback. So lighter and stiffer are important in that way. And more aero is less easy to sense as you're riding the bike, but it makes the biggest difference in your speed for a given power. We make bikes to help our athletes go faster, and those guys depend on us to produce the fastest bikes for them.